Morning. Today is the last trading day of March, Tuesday, March 31st, and the market has opened up considerably lower, and I am trading the YM, the E-Mini Dow futures. It should have been the S&Ps, but I had this up and ready to go. So look at this is the first 3-minute bar right here, as you can see, right? Opened up considerably lower. I believe we are going to run up a bit, so I may be a little wrong now. If it doesn't move higher here, we will probably back and fill a little bit before we try filling that gap a little bit here. So I'm going to be patient. I want to tape this this trade here, record this video for you, and let's see if we get a move. So let me pause this video and let's see if we get a little pop here. First, let's draw in the half from where it closed yesterday to where it opened. All right, opened right here. So I'm looking for market to at least come up halfway right there. So let's take this off. Exercise a little patience here. Let's see if we can get a run up here. So what are we looking at? We're looking at 1782.7, 1780s. All right, here we go. We're looking to take half of this off. All right, here we go. 17.827, 17.827. I am going right. I'm going to go one tick below on half of it right there. Right there. See why I put that in? It's my sell limit on 5. Let's see if we can get that move. Okay, I will be back shortly. All right, market came real close to that first objective here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my sell stop's going to be 1780.08. 1780.08. Okay, 1780.08. We're going to go right there. Right there. Pretty much a break-even trade, right? Slightly below where I entered the market. So right now, first profit target to take off half the positions right up here. Okay, and I'm risking next to nothing on this trade. So let's just watch this. Here we are. Come on. Obviously that sell should have been 10 because I've got okay, let's just watch this. This should be 10. I'll just take this off now. That should have been 10. But let's see. Let's move this up. All right, there we go. Right there. Look at that. Came within a couple ticks. Looks like we're going to be stopped out with a small loss. I suspect this market's going to take out this low and take us out. Look at that. The market ran up to 17.824, 17.824. I was at 6. Missed us by 2 ticks. Let's see if we can run up there. Came real close. Real close. Okay, here we go. Now, okay, looks like we're moving higher. The S&Ps are moving higher now as well. Let's see if we can go up there, take us out of half. If not, we lose just a little bit here. It's got to be patience, patience, patience. So where we've got our stop and where we've got that first objective, that's about 2 to 3 times what we're risking on this market now. So I'm gonna pause the video. Boy, it seems like the E-Mini S&P 500 is actually stronger than the Dow. The E-Minis are actually making new highs, whereas the Dow hasn't yet. Let's see if the Dow follows. Let's see if it moves higher, because the S&Ps are moving higher now. Let's see, we're getting real close. Okay, here we go. We'll push higher. We've got 2 ticks to take us out of half. Come on, look at that. Unbelievable. And the market's been open for 10 minutes only. So I'm looking for the market to push through here. Unbelievable. So yes, it missed it. Look at this, right back down. Now we're going to, okay, S&Ps are moving lower. Watching very closely. S&Ps are pushing lower. Again, a very, very quick trade here. Let's just see. Very tempted to take off what I have, but again, exercising patience. But having my hand on the button sometimes works in my favor. All right, so the market took me out, lost $135, not much at all. Yep. Let's see, take that out. There we go. So we're flat right now, but I'm still watching this. I still think we're going to move higher, actually. So I'm going to pause the video and wait for a setup. I'm going to see if the market can retest today's low. Again, a small loss, $135. Let's see if we can get another setup to the long side here, or short side. Let's just see. I'm going to pause. All right, I am back with another trade. As you can see, the market sold off quite a bit. Tried to retest that low. Right, the low of the day was right here. Market sold off, so nice. I took this off. Right, small little trade, almost a break even. Right, lost $135. As you can see here, closed out $135. Bought 5 here only, okay? Because if the market had continued to move lower, I was going to watch it very closely and probably put another 5 on. Everything that I'm looking at right now tells me that this market wants to move higher. How much higher? I don't know. But from this point down in here, I'm expecting the market to come back at least halfway. Okay? So let's just draw in simple fibs from today's high to this low here. Put the line in here at the 50. Take this back off. All right. Okay, so look at this. We're looking at 7. Okay, here we go. Look at it. We are rallying. Let's see if we can get in 17.79. Okay, here we go. 17.797. Here we go. Look at that. So I'm going to take off 3 and leave 2 on. It actually hit my price. Let's see. Let's just take 3 off real quick. God damn. Should have had my order sitting there, and I didn't. Okay. So I got 2 left. I'm up $30, pretty much break even. Okay. If I had my order sitting, okay, at the white horizontal line, would have made twice as much. Okay, that just I'm too slow. So it's coming right back down. I want to see. I've only got 2 left. Watching this closely. Again, everything I am watching tells me this market wants to move higher from here. The internals, the NYSE tick, is telling me the market wants to move higher. We're not confirming any of this down move. I think we still get the bounce to the upside. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to pause. All right, I'm watching this very closely. Remember, we sold off pretty hard on this bar here. We settled down on this bar. The market was not able to take out these lows, as you can see here. And then this bar is critical. Okay, this bar, here, let me do this. Let's see. I'm going to really blow this baby up so we can really see this, okay? See if this is an inside pattern or not, okay? Now, let's just, no, it doesn't look like it. It looks like it wants to push a little lower. Let's see. Got a small position here, so I'm going to, okay, we're starting to take out the lows of the day. 66, 59. Watching it very closely here to see if we follow through, if we completely knock everybody out of the market that has sell stop orders in below the market, knocks them out. Now we're coming back up, right? So to put that physical stop in right below the low of the day makes no sense. This is a critical time. The market's been open for 21 minutes. Yes, the bias of the day, of course, is down. We gapped lower. We tried to fill it in here. We tried to go higher. We weren't able to do it. We broke down. Now we're at these lows. Let's see if we continue or we fail off these lows. So again, I'm going to pause. All right, we've got like massive divergence on the NYSE tick. Market's pretty much sitting on the lows, whereas the troughs in the NYSE tick are much higher. So we'll see if the market turns from here and goes higher. Okay, we've got an inside pattern here. We've just broken up the high. I'm going to put, oops, let's go 4 more. We're going to add to this position. All right.
Order filled.
All right. We're going to add to it, see if we get a bigger pop here to the upside. Let's see. 50 of the day is there. I'm expecting at least the 50, 17,792. Here we go, 17,792. We're at 6. We're going to take this. That's 17,792. Okay. Let's see if we can get that off. We're looking to take 3 off on that 50 right there. Just missed it again. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, I want to see where the market closes on this bar. If it's in the top quarter and we're not hit with any profit target here, I'm going to move my stop to all of them below this bar and really start to manage this. So let me pause the video. All right, as you can see, first profit target was hit. Now I've got 3 left. We've closed out 275 in profits. My stop's going to be below 1776, 1770. We'll go 76. We're going to go right there. Right there. One measly tick below the current 3-minute bar that we're on. Okay, and pretty much be almost a break even. Okay. A little greater than a break even on this. So I'm going to see how far this can go. Let's see. All right, I will be back shortly. All right, what I'm looking at now is, like, okay, market, this, again, we're looking at a 3-minute chart. That's always been my main intraday chart for day trading purposes, of course. If you've watched enough of my videos, you know that by now. So I'm looking at this closely. The market, this 3-minute bar is taking out the prior 3-minute bar, right? And so I want to see where this bar closes, okay? If this is able to expand and close in the top quarter, I'm going to move my stop again below the current bar. We're right at the 50% retracement from today's high to today's low, right? We're right there. The 60% retracement, 61.8%, is right up in here. If we're able to close above the 61.8% retracement of today's down move, then the probabilities favor that the market will come up and try to retest. Here we go, the high of the day, right? So we need to close above that 60% before that would happen, okay? So I'm going to watch this very closely, and let's just see what. All right, this market has moved higher, and I've moved my stop up to 1784, as you can see right here now. All right, we're moving higher here. Let's see. We are actually through that 61.8% retracement. So the market's doing exactly what we thought it would do. It's just taking a little longer, right? Pushed lower. Again, looking at critical levels here. Market was not able to bust through. Had plenty of opportunity, but a few of my internals were telling me that no, this shouldn't continue going lower. We're going to go higher, and we were doing exactly that, right? So everything's proving to be, look at this. So we've run up quite a bit. We are here. 88, 84. You know, we don't need, we can go up a couple more from there. Moving it back down. What's going on here? Let's try to move this up to 86. Okay, we're right smack dab below there. Give this some more room. Let's take off the fibs because we know right now we are above that 61.8% retracement, which is telling us that the market may continue moving higher. So let's pause this video again. Nice, look at this rally. I'm going to take this and I am going to actually move the stop up to 93. Watch this. Move it up a little bit. Right there within the bar. Okay, trailing this up. See how I take this on the matrix and I can just click it, move it up a couple. Let's move it up a couple right there. Okay. Right now, if we were to take this trade off, we would be up about 590. Okay. So I'm going to leave it right here, 590. Again, it's 10:03. Market's been open for 33 minutes. Not a bad start to the day. I'm going to watch very closely here. Let me pause it again. God, we're over 15 minutes. I apologize. All right, here we go. Boom, taken out. So we closed out 440. So not bad in the first 35 minutes. 440 for the day on the YM. Definitely would have been more profitable trading the E-Minis, S&P 500 as opposed to the YM. But it was not bad, right? Not bad so far. And that's just, we still got a lot going on in the day. So it's a long video. I'm going to end it. Hope that helps. And okay, bye now. Actually, I'll be out for the rest of the week. And Monday and Tuesday of next week, taking the family to Disney World. And we leave tomorrow morning. So I'll be back with all of you on Wednesday. Bye for now.